Hey guys, so today we have an electric foam soap dispenser, and it's very easy to use. All you have to put is just soap inside, put your hand out, dispenses, very simple to use. I can even wash my own dog with this and without him rushing around since he's never sitting still. This will be easy to just simply just put it over his head, senses his head, and it goes down. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. So here we have a liquid soap dispenser, and you can use this for showering your dogs. And it's just very simple to use, and they even have buttons to squirt it, and it's on right now so you could hear it squirting out the soap. The liquid soap dispenser, they give you an extra knob here, so in case this one breaks, this one gets clogged. It's just very simple to open. All you have to do is just twist the cap to unlock it, open it, and just take this right off, and you can replace it as easy as that. And to replace the soap, to put soap in there, you just take this out, put the soap in here, and it's just very simple to put it back on, twist it, and it's ready to go. So they give you the funnel so they can be easy to put the soap inside and stuff like that. They give you a charger and a little nozzle in case you want to make a smaller way to get into those crevices for soaps and stuff like that. They give you the charger and little nozzle that's very attachable right here. And I can feel a little bit air since there's no soap in here, meaning it's working. You can see the light turns on blue when you press the button, meaning that it's on, that you're pressing it and that it's working. And in the back, they have the little charger area. All you have to do is just put the flap up and the little charger thing's right there. So here we have some foam, a little bit of soap inside the machine, and we're going to test it out on my dog. And all you have to do is just wipe his head. Very simple to use on dogs. You have dirty dogs like this, and after washing him, he's ready to go. I wiped it with a napkin after, so he's now nice and clean on his head. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video.